Hello, people. So, I was trying to do this whole recording with this thing in front, and it was such a flop show. Like, I realized that I'm not able to speak very comfortably. Yeah, I mean, like with this very annoying equipment in front, or whatever. Not annoying. It is. I need to get a better equipment. But more than anything, I realized that just holding the phone in my hand makes me feel very conversational, and that is very important. I feel that quality, right? That's what makes the whole video interesting to watch. So I just have to say this, yeah, that on the Discovery app there is this show called Future Kids. My god, yeah, like Future Kids is all about how children will be born in the future, perhaps, like in terms of with one donor 23 children were born. Like in the States you have these labs where people can come and donate their sperm, and then women who are looking to have a family, they can go to this particular donor lab and get inseminated. And you know so these children who were born out of such a process, um, as teenagers, as youngsters, they all decide to connect. And it is such a bizarre experience, even just watching that. It's a almost 1 hour or 2 hour long documentary that has been made over a period of easily 5 years. Easily. It is because we are shown that these kids are 13, 14, and yeah, 5 years not, it's a decade. It's that whole documentary's been made over a decade. But really, it'll make you realize that how we take for granted this whole thing of having parents, mother, father, knowing where your roots come from, and having siblings that are like of a measurable number, and not like 23 siblings across the, like, half sisters, half brothers across all of America. And how abnormal and disorienting that seems. Man, this show is called a show, as in it's like a documentary. It's called Future Kids, and you can find it on the Discovery app, and it will blow your mind. So really, people, after so long I'm doing this recording, but I'm absolutely in love with the idea of going on talking. That's what I do best. But really, so y'all should watch it. It's called Future Kids, and you can find it on the Discovery app. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.